US indices traded range bound today before the big volatile move, which we're gonna see with the NFP data today. And then today, yes, the US session is going to be shorter on account of the Independence Day holiday tomorrow. So lot much of volatility ahead. Which direction it's gonna go? Are we looking forward to a drop, or the rally has to be there? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading the S&P Nasdaq Dow? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into S&P followed with Nasdaq in the end down. Watch till the end. See, S&P, despite all the bullishness, is shied away from 6240. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned 6240, 6250 should be the strongest resistance on the upside. But what has happened here after the retracement, it is seen taking the support from the 20 period. Very, very important for it to breach 20 period moving average. Thus, if you see it is staying below 62.25, 62.20 zone today, stay short below that. 62.25, 20, very good support. 62.10, I will say till 6200. I will say till 6200. S&P has got very strong support. If it trades below 6200, more bearishness to follow below that. But right now it is not showing such bearishness. Stochastic rising at the bottom. The MACD has crossed over at the top, suggestive of slight bearishness. The RSI rising as well. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation. Notice after the topping, where it has peaked, it is retraced and now trying to bounce back. Now it is pretty important for S&P to breach this zone 62.25, 20, and then 62.10 and 6200. If these levels are taken, then only you should treat this as bearish. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is flat. The RSI is flat. Coming to 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, likewise, see, ideally this could have been a reversal. Lower highs are seen, so prices can still reverse from the current zone. And hence, I will not recommend you to buy as long as 62.40, 62.50 zone is not taken. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is flat. The RSI is flat. On the 4-hour charts, notice we have seen a swing in the preceding candle. Higher lows, higher highs. Current one could further move towards 62.40. But I'll say 62.40, 62.50, you have to be extreme cautious in that zone. If it breaches 62.50, I think that's the time you can confirm the bull run all the way towards 62, 64, 66, 62, 78, 80, and then 6300 levels. But I'm bit cautious of that. It can reverse still, and thus wait for it to trade below 62.20 in order to confirm the bearishness towards 62.10, 6200, 61.90 and 61.80. Below 61.80, greater correction to follow. Stochastic overbought, MACD bearish, RSI overbought here. Coming to the daily chart. Now see, on the daily charts, we have seen higher lows, higher highs. The highs are done. We can see a move towards the lows. Let it stay below 61.80 and that should confirm a complete reversal as well. Right now, it is starting off on a bullish note. Things are slightly overbought. So looking at this, buy at 62.40 and sell at 62.24. In between this, do not trade. Above 62.40, wait till 62.50 levels to be taken. Beyond 62.50, more bullishness to follow. On the downside, below 62.25, you can take a sell, but I'll say you have to trail your stop losses with 5 points till 6200 is not taken, and below 6200 till 6180, 78, you have to remain extremely vigilant. It's not a reversal till 6180, 78 is not taken, and then below that you can expect it to move towards 61, 68, 70. Once it breaches 61, 68, 70, stay short. It's gonna deliver a massive move. 61.50, 61.20 has to be there. You have to watch out today. It's gonna be a volatile day. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq 100. See, Tech 100 moved to 22,700 and now trying to erase some of the gains, but it has got the support from the 20 period and trying to bounce back. This is the zone it needs to breach. 22,640, 600. Only and only if you see it is staying below 22,600, you can just stay short. Below 22,600, ideally I'll be looking forward to 22,550, 500, and then 22,400 again. Possibilities there. Moving averages are divergent and bullish. The stochastic at bottom, the MACD crossed over for sell, the RSI is looking upward. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation, double top is done, preceding candle, swing candle, and the current one might again turn red. We can see a move towards 22,600 and below that more bearishness to follow. Stochastic looking down, the MACD crossed over for a rise, RSI showing a bit of rise. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation. Notice after hitting the highs, it is reversing and it is a double top level. So from here, the reversal could begin here. This is something you should be mindful of. Stochastic is bearish while the MACD is still bullish. Look at 4-hour chart, swings ahead. You can see the preceding candle showing massive swing, and now let it stay below 22. 630, 600 zone. That should offer a maximum support. Below 23,600, more bearishness to follow. However, be cautious till 23,500. things are slightly overbought and can cool down sharp. Coming to the daily charts. Now on the daily charts, notice the preceding few candles, yes, lower highs, lower lows were seen. Today it has started on a bullish note. Now what I am looking at, I am looking forward to a greater swing. Higher highs are seen, lower lows could be there, which means it can break below 22,400 and move all the way towards 22,200 as well. But right now it is not signaling this. So let's see, either the buying entry has to be about 22,700, 720 zone. If that is taken, then you can stay bullish for 22,780, 800, 22,860, 880, and then in fact 22,950, 23,000 should be the next targets. I do not expect that, but yes, these are markets. On the downside, take a sell at 22,630, expect 22,600, 540, 500. Below 22,500, the next step is directly towards 22,400 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Below 22,400 and 360 is where extreme correction should follow towards 22,200 levels. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. And yes, before we proceed, if you also want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for details. Now, US30 on the hourly charts, after the drop, it is retracing. See, it is still under retracement. Let it break beyond 45, 44,560s, 44,600 zone. If at all it stays above 44,560, 600, stay bullish for 44,700. Right now, I can see it is under retracement and it could break sharp. So once it trades below 44,450, stay short. Stochastic rising here. The MACD is bearish. The RSI is flat. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation here. Notice rise, retracement, and retracement. It could bounce back. See, it is taking a very good support from 20 period. Let it stay below 44,450 and 44,400 zone in order to confirm further downside. The indicators are suggestive of a sell here. Look at 3-hour charts, the drop, retracement, and now it is waiting for a good breakout. So if you see it is staying below 44,450 and 44,380, 400 zone, stay short. This should head towards 44,200 levels possibly. And below that, 4400 is a must. Moving averages, MACD, all are signaling further bearishness. Similarly, on the 4-hour charts, after the drop or retracement, it should correct sharp, but it should wait. We should wait for it to trade below 44,450, 44,400, and then 44,350 levels, which should confirm the next move all the way towards 44,200. Coming to the daily charts, look at the daily charts, the rise, retracement, and it has given a breakout since then, a good rise. It could again fall back within this channel, which means 42,000, but it's far beyond level. For this to happen today, it has to break below 44,000. And see, it is staying in a narrow zone, staying below 44,350, 300. You can expect 44,200 and 44,000 levels. Things are slightly overbought. So looking at this, I'll recommend a buy at 44,560 levels. Expect 44,600, 650. And if 650 is taken, then till 44,700, stay cautious. Beyond 44,700, sky is the limit. You can look forward to a greater rally or the way towards 44,900 and 45,000 levels. On the downside, take a sell at 44,450 levels. Expect 44,400, 350 and 300. Below 44,300, 44,200 is a must and 44,000 is a must. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.